This is Taji icing his cupcakes. We just made cupcakes, didn't we, Taji? Taji, would you like more chocolate icing on your knife?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Oh, I'm going to lick it. Yummy. Maybe... Okay, give me, Mummy, the knife and you can put some more. Okay, I'll give you on a spoon. Let me see your cupcake. Oh, that looks delicious. Are you going to try it?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. Kling klonk. Kling klonk. Kling klonk. Mama.
Oh, the cupcakes. That's all right.
Mom.
Oh dear.